Where are you gonna go? Hey! Uh-oh, Nicole, that's not good. Uh-oh.
Oh, my dad said something.
Yeah, was that gonna do anything?
Yeah.
How do you get it off?
What's the cover? What I call it? Dude, you're seriously gonna put the cover on that? You're not gonna get the cover on it.
Hey, baby?
You're seriously not gonna get the cover on it. It's gonna get up real fast.
Uh-oh, Nicole.
Boom! It's white smoke, it's fine. What happens if it wasn't white smoke? And they die of poison?
S'mores time! Spit on it.
You just down so Sorry. What kind of light is it?
I just spit on the camera.
Oh, really? My bad.
No, I did. I spit on the camera.
Well, it's gonna be hot. Watch out, I'm gonna throw it. So you go there. I'm gonna smoking. No duh. If I put it on the grass. The grass is wet, it's gonna take a lot longer. Don't run on fire, please. No kidding.
Yay.
If the log's not on fire, I swear to God I will murder someone.
If the log's not on fire?
Yeah.
I don't think it's on fire.
Terrible. Well, that was a cheap log.
Paper on fire.
Whoa.
Are you videotaping it?
Yep.
Hey!
Where are you running to? What?
It's a videotaping.
Okie dokie.
Oh God. I gotta get out.
Oh my god.
Nice, Nicole. Pyro time.
Stripping down fire. Oh, it's so cool. Sounds like a blowtorch.
It blows up on
Oh,
us.
you wanna see something cool? Look at this thing.
It's pushing your pipe.
Yeah.
Are you doing it on the grass where I can't see?
I don't know if I can do it.
What?
Look at it. Ah! It's hard. All the fire on it. Okay, I can't do it.
What is that for?
Handstand, I know. Something flammable. Okay.
Not nearly with something flammable.
Look at it. It's free. Fuck that.
Whoa, hi, what's up? The Pyro Clan. Ready? Pyro Clan. Stand here, need to get some better light. And that is my ammo. And that is my fire. And this is my partner in crime. Her name's Sammy. And this is the smoke. And this is the start of it all.
Wow, it's cool.
Bug spray. And then, hey baby, you can't live without America's Choice matches. Go ahead.